Hello, everybody, and happy April Fool's Day. And because of a friend, I got this lovely idea that we are big fools. We all are really big fools because this universe has fooled us. Because this universe is supposed to have come from some big bang, and they say that it came from nothing. There was nothing, and then it banged, and we believe these things. And then there were this billion stars and galaxies, and there is the diameter of the universe. The diameter of the universe is supposedly 100 billion light years. Light travels at 3 lakh kilometers per second, they say. 3 lakh kilometers per second, they say. Huh? And 100 billion years it will take, second. 100 billion years it will take to cover the universe. And there also is a tip of the iceberg, it seems, because there's more there. Why is it there? Nobody knows. Then the stars and galaxies. One of the small star is the sun, and from the sun, and we have this earth, and earth we have been living for a short while. These are the wonder facts. They are really facts, and we have come, and we are all fighting wars because we believe that our God is better than another God, and God doesn't even exist, or we believe that there is some nothing, which is a confusion. We are all foolish, and we are fighting each other and dividing each other instead of living lightly and coolly and happily and care damnly, because anyway, I mean, this is because we'll die one day, we'll go into nothing. We were not there before we were born, and we have no sense of wonder of all that. How foolish it is. So, April Fool's Day is there to remind us, Array, pause. We are all fools, to educate us. And one day, in 1 billion years, this whole earth and sun, the life will become uninhabitable, become so hot. Really true, it's true. And after 5 billion years, it'll all go away. 5 billion is finite time only, and the universe will go on going. This is the universe. This is the universe. And we see in the form of senses. We don't know the actual physical reality, and we cannot know that physical reality creates our senses, and we catch this world, a bit of this world with our senses. It's called naive realism. These are the wonderful, these are the basic facts. And we have this one set of beliefs believes that there's some god, and our god is greater than your god, and one set of ideology believes that there is nothing, nihilism, and we kill each other. But suppose you know all this, suppose you study all this, then you won't be a fool. But you will be called a fool in this foolish world, right? If you know everything, if you study everything, if you have this wonderful curiosity, then you will be called a fool. You will also feel foolish at times that why am I studying all this? Anyway, I'm going to go. You'll be filled with doubts and all that. But there will be some moments of happiness because you're not fooling yourself. So don't fool yourself. Happy April Fool's Day every day to remind us that we are actually foolish, and let's all learn, starting with me, and become better human beings. We are 50%, I think. Let's go into 100 and become better people, and let's enjoy the sun, morning sun, and this whole universe in the meantime, like a party. Happy Fool's Day, everybody, to all my friends.